Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. In this class, we will discuss about string operators. Python provides the following operators for string operations. These operators are useful to manipulate strings. Concatenation, append, repeating, string slicing, and stride when slicing the string. Let us discuss in detail. Concatenation operator. Joining two or more strings is known as concatenation. Plus operator is used to concatenate strings in Python. For example, you can see a string is given here and another string Python. These two strings can be combined using this operator, plus operator. Two strings will be concatenated and the output will be welcome Python as a single string. So this operator is used to concatenate strings. Append operator. Plus equal to is the append operator. It is used for adding a new string at the end of an existing string. For example, in str1, welcome to is assigned. str1 plus equal to learn Python. After executing this statement, if we print the value of str1, we can see the output as welcome to learn Python. So the new string learn Python is added at the end of the existing string welcome to by the virtue of this plus equal to operator. This is append operator. Repeating operator. Asterisk symbol is used. It is used to display multiple number of times. For example, x equal to welcome. You can see in this example, print x asterisk 3. Asterisk is the operator for repeating the string multiple number of times. Here x into 3. So 3 times the string will be displayed. The next one, string slicing. Slice is a substring of a main string. A substring can be taken from the original string using this operator. This is known as slice operator. Using slice operator, we can slice one or more substrings from a main string. The general format for slicing a substring is given here. String within the square brackets, that is slice operator, we have to specify start value and end value, where start is the beginning index and end is the last index of a character in the string. Python takes the end value one less than the index specified. In this example, you can see string 1 0 colon 3. Start value is 0, end value here it is given as 3, but Python will take the end value 1 less than the specified number. So it will consider 0 to 2. See the statement here, str1 equal to welcome. A string is assigned to this variable. We can write the index values for each and every character. Index starts from 0. When this statement is executed, string 1 of 0, the output displayed will be W. This can be used to slice a single character from a string. We can specify only the index value. That particular character will be displayed because of the print statement. See the next one. This is for slicing a substring from the index 0 to 2. So the output will be W E L. Let us write the index value. This print statement is used to slice a substring using the index 0 to 2, but without specifying the beginning index. Here you can see beginning index is not specified. In this case, it will be considered as 0. So from 0 to 2, the characters will be taken. So the output will be W E L. The next example is for slicing a substring using the index 3 and after colon end value is not specified, which means starting from the index 3 all the characters will be displayed. The output will be COME in this case. Stride when slicing. In slicing operation, we can specify a third argument as the stride, which refers to the number of characters to move forward after the first character is retrieved from the string. You can see in this example, the beginning index value is given, end value is given. You can write like this. Where the third argument is the stride value. By default, the stride value is 1 if it is not mentioned. In this example, start index is 10 and end index is 16 minus 1, 15, and stride value is 2. Let us write the index values for the characters. So the start value is 10. Till 15, 10 to 15, all the characters will be taken. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So these characters will be taken as a substring. But in this case, the stride is given as 2. So after retrieving the first character, it will move forward as per the stride value. So 10, 1, 2, this E will be displayed. 1, 2, R will be displayed. Till 15 only we have to take the characters. So this will be the output in this case. Beginning value is 10. You have to start from here. End value is 15. We have to stop in this. Stride value is 2. So every second character from the first one should be displayed. So E and R will be displayed as output. Consider this example. Here the beginning index and ending value is not given. If it is not specified by default, it should start from the first character till the last character. It should be processed and the stride value is given as 3. So after retrieving the first character, that is W, every third character from the previous one will be displayed. So after W, 1, 2, 3, C, 1, 2, 3, E, 1, 2, 3, this O, 1, 2, 3, this E, 1, 2, 3, this N, 1, 2, 3, Y, 1, 2, 3, O. This will be the output for this print statement. From the first character till the last character, but the stride value is given as 3. So after retrieving the first character, third character from the first one, again third character from the previous one, and so on till the end. So this is the output. Let us see an example program. In this, you can see welcome is a string, Python is another string. Two strings are concatenated using plus operator. This is concatenation operator. After joining these two strings, we are using the print function to display the value of x. Then x equal to welcome to x plus equal to learn Python. This is append operator. Then x equal to welcome. We are going to print 3 times using repeating operator asterisk symbol. Then another string we have Tirukkural. Here we are going to use print statement. We are going to take a single character as a substring here. So only one index value is specified. Then in the next print statement, we have start value and end value. From 0 to 4, the characters will be displayed. And in the next one, beginning index is not mentioned. So from the first character till the fourth one, end value is 5. So 5 minus 1, 4. The end index will be 4. So 0 to 4, those characters will be displayed. And in the next example, the start index is 6. From that character till the last character, all the characters will be displayed. And again, one more string we have, welcome to learn Python. In this, we have mentioned the stride value. In the first example, we have given the stride value as 3. In the next one, a negative number is given. So we can mention a negative value as stride. The strings will be processed and the characters will be displayed in the reverse order. Let me execute this program. You can see for the first print statement, welcome Python, as a single string it is displayed. We have used concatenation operator. Then in the next one, append operator. Learn Python is added at the end of the existing string welcome to. Then repeating operator. 3 times the string is repeated. Then str of 0, only the first character is displayed. Then 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally 5 characters are displayed. Then in the next one, even though the starting index is not given, by default it will be considered as 0. From the first character, 5 characters will be displayed. The next one, start index is 6. Till the last character, a substring is taken and displayed. And this is the output for the print statement where the stride value is given as 3. And the last one, you can see if a negative number is given as stride, starting from the last character, that is in the reverse order, it will be displayed. Is it clear, children? So these are the string operators we have in Python. Let us continue in the next class, children.